Alright, good morning. We're at AMWELL, 7 o'clock, and as the gates open, it started to rain. So let's see what we can get.
There are size 7. Everything there is 50p.
How much for your hat? There you go.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Take your bag, please. Thank you.
How much your house is?
How much the house is, okay? 25.
Ah, okay.
Too big.
Oh God. £20 for a shell. There you go. For that I want the figures and the furniture. How much are jeans?
50 pounds.
There's loads of stuff like that. I have tons of it.
Have you?
Oh yeah. All sets of massive amounts.
How much are they then?
They're all vary. Most about £1.
Oh, okay.
80p.
Okay, I'll come back when you set up.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Alright.
I think it's 28 new, but then so the Facebook's on the site for 20.
$18.
No, my kids got Pokemon and all sorts.
Can I get pepper pig, please? Both of them. Get pepper pigs?
Oh, these ones?
Yeah.
Yeah. They do two for £6.
Yeah, can I have a look at them?
Yeah, cool.
Thanks. Okay.
Donkey well placed, Misha. Fiver.
Yeah, there's tons. There's loads.
Loads in there.
No.
Check my bill.
How much are your Simpsons puzzles going for?
Do you want one or all of them?
I bought a brand new Simpsons yesterday in the charity shop for £1.49, sealed. And he wants £2 each and they're open.
That's my side.
shoes?
Sorry?
What's these?
Fine.
DIY one similar, new.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Oh, £10. It hasn't got the lead. You can get more in there now. They have that.
Do you want £20 for all these?
Sorry?
Do you want £20 for all these? Oh, okay. So give a look at your cars.
£3 each.
What should you take for the whole lot?
We've got 3, 9, 12, 15, 19, 20. Classic ones, them ones, the 80s ones.
Yeah.
Cheers, mate.
Give me a pound. Give me a pound off. You do well.
What was good?
Yeah.
No.
Are you alright? You've been promoted to car park attendant?
Pardon?
You've been promoted to car park attendant?
You know what, I prefer to do this.
Yeah.
You said you're away from the public, innit?
Yeah, that's
Just
right.
do this, park
Yeah.
up and whatever. But when I do this, if you get a day where it's a little bit quieter,
Yeah.
whoever you get do it, they don't give people enough room.
No.
Do you know what I mean? And I always think that if you've got the room,
Yeah, make
give
it.
them extra room.
Yeah, exactly.
And then sometimes you want to make it look
Bigger.
bigger than what it
Well,
is.
yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Because this lot, you could probably end up there.
Yeah, you could do. You could probably could do 4 rows.
Yeah, but you want to make it look.
Yes.
So when them people coming in buying,
They're thinking,
you know,
yeah, ooh, this looks big.
yeah, that's right. Isn't it? And by the time they walk around, they think, oh yeah, it's still quite a good one. So
Yeah. Oh, it's
if you've
always
got
good.
extra room. If you've got room, give it to them.
Yeah, it's always good.
Especially with all this COVID thing and everything. So
This is a good little cab. But
Yeah, good.
anyway,
Bought anything yet?
I've been back once,
Yeah.
but I don't know. Second time around, I never get lucky. Second time around, that was fucking shocking, really. I'll say to Callum you're working, so don't worry. Right, so that's Amwell. I'm going to do another walk around. If I pick something, I'll switch the camera back on. Alright, so I got a tripod and a Hitachi HDC camera, £5 the two. But that's alright. But I bought these little footballers, German, for £10. And there's quite a star mamba, I don't know what they are. But, Bayern Munich. So I thought for £10 it's worth a punt. Right, I'm off to LAZYBONES. They're still on. And we'll see you there then. Never get lucky second time around. I'll see you then. Right, here we are, LAZYBONES.
Nice trailer.
Yes.
Yeah, that's ready to be filled up.
There you are, yes. How much is your shirt? It must have been worn once.
Yeah, better.
Extra large. What do you mean? Oh, sorry, I thought you were trying to insinuate I'm a fat boy. You won't be the first time. Oh, the other way, you fat bastard. I get a lot of that. Right, let's have a look here. Yeah.
Thank you.
There you go.
Cheers.
Have a good day.
You too.
Make plenty of money.
Hopefully. You move the thing at the top of the side.
Oh, just a locket set. Okay. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye. How much are your games?
They're 10 or each.
Okay, alright. Easier every week. How much your pops?
Pardon?
How much your pops?
Pops, $2.50 each.
Oh, no, they're partners. Oh, I thought they would come to
I've only got the 5, all James Bond now.
Yeah. Do you want £10 for the lot?
Yeah, go on then.
I thought they were silly, but they're not.
No, that's what I said. Lovely, thanks mate.
If you see my wife, I didn't buy them, alright?
Right, yeah.
If I get grassed up,
When
I
she
know.
comes over, I say goodbye.
Yeah. Yeah, I couldn't resist. 10 quid. Look at that one. How much for suitcase?
£3. 'I don't know, she didn't know what. I just think she said, oh sorry. Oh wait, £3, sorry, hang on a minute.
5 and 2. I see, Mum's
Thank you, yeah,
Mum's prepared.
I know, yeah. Thank you.
Thanks.
Brand new, mate.
How much?
£3.
You know, she can have two then, one for a PJ and one for a socks and that, and he's gonna have
And I keep leaving it open and then people close it.
Yeah.
Sorry, buddy. Five, that's right, yeah.
Oh, that sunk in, didn't it? Yeah.
You need two.
Yeah.
Hang on. It's all over the place.
Yeah, and there's I was listening to
There you go.
my back.
Thank you, sir.
That's
Thank
right,
you.
mate. Thank you.
How are you? How much are your ties?
They're 4 now.
Each?
Yeah.
Well, he spent a few years out.
I'm just stealing them, don't worry about it. You've not seen nothing.
I've literally just got here and I can pay £60. Yeah, I promise you, it does. No, I know. I promise you, though, it does work. I know. Get rid of him. That's what I'm thinking. Fit in the bag. Don't fit him. It's too big still. I'm like, I think we fit in the garage.
How much is there?
They're 25. They're brand new.
Oh, okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, bloody hell. Trust me to that. Oh. Oh. Oh dear. Oh.
I'll grab it, mate.
Oh, cheers.
There's a huge old set.
Yeah. How much is it anyway? 12? Bit strong for me. How much are these here? How much are these?
Bottle kits, £5 for each on them.
Okay. Alright.
Batteries are gone.
How much are they?
Set, £5.
Alright, I'll have them. Oh, thanks.
How much are your cushions? The 2 grey ones. I want a £5 for them. They're brand new. They just come with my new sofa. I didn't want them.
Oh, the sofa. The sofa didn't want them.
I wanted it. No, the sofa didn't want them. Cheers. Got a large collection of toys there.
Yeah. I'm a child at heart. Oops, sorry, Mary. You alright? How much for that?
£3, mate.
2?
Oh, it's got to be 3. Come on, it's my daughter's.
Yeah, I can only do 2.
Come back later. If it's still here. She wanted a £5, really, mate. But I said, you want to get it on the boots now? Cheers, boss. You're a gentleman.
As is your daughter.
Yeah, cheers, mate.
If it was,
Is as well.
if it was you, it would be £1.
How you doing? All right.
I'm alright. I'm doing alright. Nothing, not very big today, is it? Yeah, I was in Great AMWELL this morning, and they made the field look a lot bigger than what it was.
Yeah.
But I did strike lucky there, though.
Yeah, we did.
I bought a load of vintage Formula 1 cars.
Oh, yeah.
Burago from the cars from the 1980s.
Oh, yeah, Borrego, yeah. Nice.
Unboxed.
Nice little gun.
Yeah.
Got a gargoyle. Do you like your gargoyles?
Who's this here? What's this?
£3, mate. I'll do a deal on the lot.
I'll do 2.
I'll tell you what.
Yeah.
There's 7 pieces there. You can have all of them for a £10 a lot.
I don't like them.
Oh, they sell though, man.
I know, but I'll do these 2 for a £5.
Go on then. Talk to me into it.
Well, it wasn't much persuasion, was it? There you go.
Cheers, bud.
What's your name? I keep asking you.
Jay.
That's it, Jay. Your mate's Rory.
Yeah, that's right.
Where's he today then?
He said he couldn't be arsed, mate.
Yeah, I know. I know. Sometimes you get like that, don't you?
Yeah, well, he's got some commissions to do, so...
Has he? All right.
He's an artist, isn't he?
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, he works for Tops.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Draws all garbage packets.
Really? So you just, people doing cardboard, you just never know.
No.
And I suppose you're a gigolo, you're Inspector.
Yeah, that's right. Take it easy, yeah?
Ta-ra, mate. How much are your ducks?
So we've got these ones with the little tags on are £3, any without a tag are £2.
Oh, okay. And the hardest is a £5.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, I've labelled the ones that are sort of a different price on them.
Duck with a duck. Duck with a oh. Duck with a oh duck. Oh, I don't want to say that. I'm not mentioning that again. No, oh, you. We might come back later.
Yeah, no worries.
We might do a deal.
No problem.
Are you open for negotiable?
Absolutely.
How much do you want for the whole lot?
Let me give me, sorry, can you send me sisters? Let me give her a, what we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
And the 2 box ones.
And the 2 box ones. Right,
Yeah.
let me give her a quick text.
Okay.
I'll keep them all to one side and I'll see what she wants.
All right, I'll come back around then.
No worries.
All right.
No, they won't probably have, yeah. The singles are £1, okay?
What the hell are they?
What? Hair dryer, 158. See, that was so many each, so should work if you can't buy because you wouldn't be open it.
How much is this?
That's 20 quid.
Do you know, I thought you said that.
Yeah. It's worth 50 quid.
Because I just, didn't recognise it. I thought that's got to be quite rare. Well, there you go. Just shows you a good taste I've got.
Really? Oh, it might be.
Did she answer? Did she answer?
She did, yeah. She said 25 for all of them.
20?
She wouldn't go any lower than 25 because she's paid about 25 per one.
Yeah.
Tags on.
What about 22?
23?
If I got it, you can have it.
Yeah.
I don't think I have it.
Thank you, love. Let me go.
Yeah, I do. 33?
Lovely.
Do you have a bag ready for me?
Yeah, just one. Thank you. Perfect. Let me grab you. Do you want a carry bag?
No, I've got some here, I think, somewhere.
Yeah, she's in a sleepover.
There we go.
Thank you, dear.
All right, have a good day.
Thank you. And I won't tell your sister that you undercut her. You alright? Let's see.
Only pound each. So 3 something.
Right, that one, Paddington's gone.
Yeah, the man next door, they come all the time apparently, and most of them have one years ago. I think after yesterday, people thought they'd got I must admit, we went out together and it was but then in the afternoon when we took dogs, it was alright.
Well, I thought they called us up quite quick to get a bit of wine. I wish there was a cook. Oh, wait, yeah. You have to do the whole one. Yeah.
Do you have your mouth wide enough? She's
I wish there was a master personally. That's beautiful.
You have a nice day, young man.
What's your pork ones?
Five.
They look cute.
They're just empty tins, not got them.
Yeah.
People using for display.
1970s AA patrol vehicle. Yeah, I've got one in quite nice nick in the loft. Okay, no, the top. Yeah. No, I'm going to go top. Yeah, that's a good choice. Yeah. It's money out already. Yeah.
Right, that was Lazybones.
What did you get? Oh, little Ninja
Yes, sorry. Yeah, that was Lazybones. Whew. So that's it. I'm going to go to another cabin today. Great AMWELL. Even though the field, as the father said, the field looked big. Well, in theory, because it was well spread out. Really, it was only half full. And this is again today, only half full. Last week's video, we hit 1,000 views. That's the first video to go over 1,000. I think it was the George Ross effect. But thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you could subscribe, that'd be great.
Those are 10. You want a 10 or a 12?
And that's it. We'll see you next week. Hopefully Saturday, the weather's nice. We'll find a couple of carbos to go to. Alright, look after yourselves, be lucky.